If I had to explain how I'm able to find the time and be productive in doing all of these videos while still going to high school, the one word I would very quickly go to is outsourcing. Outsourcing is one of the most important parts of entrepreneurship because the thing about entrepreneurs is that we need a lot of time. And time is something that it's truly money because the way you're able to utilize your time impacts what type of work you do, and then the work that you do impacts your results. So time really is money, and the way you use your time has an impact on how successful you become as an entrepreneur. But one of the common excuses that comes back again and again is that I don't have enough time. And this is the case with both the entrepreneur who doesn't want to do a lot of work and is just beginning, but also the entrepreneur who finds himself or herself very busy doing a lot of different things that may not be leading to the results that the entrepreneur is looking for. So outsourcing is one of the most critical areas because it eliminates the excuse of I don't have enough time, because you can delegate your tasks to other people. So you may be wondering, what type of tasks would I delegate to other people? And the answer is to structure your ideal day. So let's say you can outsource everything in your business. In the snap of a finger, everything in your business is delegated to someone else, and you could be having vacations 24/7, not do any work, and the money comes in passively. Let's say everything was outsourced. What work would you still do? What work that you do means so much to you that you would be willing to do it instead of vacationing for the rest of your life, even if you knew you were already making the income. And when you ask yourself that question, you will then realize that everything else is a distraction. So when I decided to ask myself this question, one of the things that did not come up as something that I would want to do every day was schedule my tweets. And even though this was something so critical for my Twitter presence, it was something I did not want to do. So I decided to outsource it. I found someone on Upwork to schedule my tweets for me. And I found several people. And in fact, all of the people who I delegate to certain tasks that I have, I find all of those people with Upwork because it's a great service where low price meets high quality. And there is a wide variety of people with a wide variety of skills available. So structuring your ideal day lets you know what needs to be outsourced. So one of the common questions with outsourcing is, why would I actually want to spend any of my money on it? And why would I want to spend any money on business in general? Well, one of the key reasons why you would want to spend money on your business in general is because you could tap into advertising, which, if leveraged properly, can lead to a bigger profit. But why outsourcing? One of the things with outsourcing is that you're basically outsourcing someone, in many cases, to do something that you already know how to do. I already know how to schedule my tweets, and I decided to outsource that. And the reason being is that it saves me time, but even better than saving time, spending money on the people who I decide to give my tasks to, that gives me more motivation to make money. And that motivation impacts the way I learn about my niche, and it impacts how I take action. So it gives you more motivation. And that's because you see your money, you see it going away, and you think, I got to get that back somehow. How do I get that money back? And that's the motivation that leads to better results in your business. So spending money on your business for outsourcing is a great way to not only save time, but now that you have that extra time, you have the motivation as well. And those two combine together in order to get you the results that you are looking for. That is all for this lecture. I hope it has served you. And what I want you to do is to dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.